Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subkingdom Parazoa. It only includes one phylum, phylum Porifera. Porifera word is derived from a Latin word. Porus mean minute holes or the tiny openings, and fera means to bear. Animals of this phylum bear small holes or pores all over the body. The pores are known as ostia. Body made up of a group of cells, but the cells do not organize to form tissues and organs. So the tissues and organs are absent. They are most primitive metazoans. Means metazoan have been evolved from these members of phylum Porifera or Parazoa subkingdom. And the members of phylum Porifera, they are commonly known as sponges. All the members of this phylum are aquatic, mostly marine. The water bodies, they are either fresh water or the marine water. What is the difference? In the case of marine water, large amount of salts are present. Examples of marine water, ocean and sea. Example of fresh water, river, ponds and lakes. Now the structure or morphology of the organisms of phylum Porifera. First important structure, osculum. The body, it is tubular shaped, open at its anterior end by means of osculum. Spongocoel, the cavity of the body is known as spongocoel. Body wall, it is two layered. Outer layer is known as the pinacoderm. It is made up of flattened cells, pinacocytes. Choanoderm, it is inner layer made up of flattened cells, choanocytes. Mesenchyma, the gelatinous matrix, means jelly-like matrix that fill the space between pinacocyte and the choanocyte. The diagram, this end is known as anterior end and this is the posterior end. At the anterior end, opening present known as the osculum. Then these are the pores or holes or specifically known as the ostia. These yellow color showing these are the cells known as the choanocytes. They are flagellated, having flagella at their one end. Then the cavity of the body known as the spongocoel. This is the layer known as the pinacoderm, and cells present in the pinacoderms are known as the pinacocyte. Then this layer, inner layer, is the choanoderm and the cell is known as choanocyte. In between the choanoderm and the pinacoderm, the gelatinous matrix is present that is known as mesenchyma. From the ostia, water will enter. Whenever water enters, it takes food along with it. And when the water goes out of the body through the osculum, it will take waste material out of it. Ascan type canal system, EX is for the example, and Leucosolenia, it is the name of one of the member of phylum Porifera. What is canal system? Inside the body of sponges, the water current flows through a certain system of spaces collectively forming the canal system. Most sponges have one of three types of canal system: Ascan type, Sycan type and Leucon type. They differ from one another by increasing in complexity. The diagram of three types of canal system. Ascan type, it is the most simplest type of the canal system. These are the ostia. From the ostia, water will enter into the spongocoel, and whenever water goes out of the body by means of osculum, will take waste material out of the body. This is little complex because of this structure or morphology. The water will move through these ostia into the spongocoel, and from the spongocoel by means of osculum, water will move out of the body. The type of canal system, Sycan canal system, and this morphology is little more complex. The water will move by means of these ostia, comes into the spongocoel and move out of the body by means of osculum. So three types of canal system, Ascan, Sycan and Leucon, differ from one another in the complexity. Now the flagella of choanocyte, their function is to beat or move, as a result of which water currents create, which bring food to the spongocoel and also remove the excretory material from the body. The flagella of the choanocyte, whenever they beat or show movement, as a result of which water current creates, which results in the movement of water through the ostia inside the spongocoel. Whenever water comes, it will take food along with it. And again, when these flagella show movement, water current creates, and water will move out of the body by means of osculum, taking waste material out of the body. Ostia, the part of the canal system in which water circulates and bring food to the body. Now the digestion is intracellular. Intra word means inside, means digestion takes place inside the cell. Which cell is responsible for the process of digestion? Choanocyte helps in the digestion. The diagram of the choanocyte. This is the collar of the choanocyte, having mucus to which food particles attached. The flagellum of the choanocyte. The food particles by means of phagocytosis process will enters into the choanocyte where digestion takes place. The digested food material will taken up by another cell known as amoebocyte. It is known as amoebocyte because like amoeba it do not have any specific shape. What is the function of amoebocyte? Delivering the nutrients from choanocyte to other cells within the sponge. Means choanocyte will digest the food material. This digested food material will taken up by the amoebocyte, and the function of amoebocyte is it will transport digested food to all other cells of the body. Food of the members of phylum Porifera includes phytoplankton. Phyto word is for the plant. Plankton, they are free floating organisms. Zooplankton, zoo word is for the animal, and plankton, free floating organism. So phytoplankton, free floating plants, small plants, and zooplankton, free floating animals. Protozoans means different members of phylum Protozoa being eaten by the members of phylum Porifera. Crustacea, it is one of the group of phylum Arthropoda, and other small organisms. But 80% of food it consists of dead organic matter. Then comes locomotion. Sponges are sessile, means they cannot move, they are stationary. They do not contain any locomotory organ. Their dispersal takes place during reproduction. Means how they disperse, or you can say spread in the water bodies. They spread in the water bodies by means of process of reproduction. Therefore, they are present in different places in the water body. Excretion, it takes place by means of diffusion. Reproduction is both asexual and sexual. Asexual reproduction is by means of birds and gemmules. Sexual reproduction, some amoebocyte cells develop into sperms and eggs which fuse together to form zygote, and zygote will develop into larva. Larva in the case of Porifera is known as Amphiblastula larva. In different phylums of the kingdom Animalia, larva is produced, so different names are given to them. The larva produced in the phylum Porifera, the name given to the larva is Amphiblastula larva. Nervous system is absent. Neurosensory cells and neurons are found which are believed to coordinate water flow. This is the life cycle. Sponges, this is asexual reproduction and this is the sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, one is by means of budding. Budding means outgrowth. When on the main body an outgrowth develop, this outgrowth will become separated from the parent body and will again form a new animal body. Sponges. Another is by means of gemmules. These are the internal buds. They are formed during unfavorable condition. At the return of favorable condition, they will again develop into a new body. During unfavorable condition, the gemmule or the internal buds are formed. Only these buds survive, parent body may die. And these buds or gemmules, internal buds or gemmules, at the return of favorable condition will again develop into a new body. This is the sexual reproduction in the sponges. Some amoebocyte cell develops into egg and sperm. The egg and sperm fuse together to form zygote. The process is known as the fertilization. The zygote will develop into a larva known as the amphiblastula larva. This larva is free floating. Whenever it finds a suitable place, it will get attached to that rock or any soil or any substratum and will develop into a new sponge. So by this mean, the members of phylum Porifera, they will disperse or spread in the water bodies. The skeleton, all the sponges except class Myxospongida have skeleton that consist of lime and silicon in the form of spicules. The diagram in which spicules are shown, these three-ended structure, these are the spicules. What is the function of spicule? It provides support. Or in other some organisms of the member of phylum Porifera, the support is given by the spongin in the form of fiber. It is a fibrous protein. Osculum, through which water will move out, taking out excretory material from the body. Choanocyte, flagellated cells. Ostium or pore or opening. Incurrent pore means water will move inside the body by means of this ostium. Excurrent pore means water will move out of the body by means of this opening. Porocyte, cell, cyte word is for the cell that have pore in it through which water can also enter. Mesohyl and mesenchyma are the same things. It is a jelly-like material that fill the space between choanocyte and pinacocyte. The body cavity known as the spongocoel. This structure is the spicule, the function of which is to provide support, and these cells are the pinacocyte, the epidermal cells. And also the body contains some other cells, that is the amoebocyte. Some of the amoebocyte function is they take the digested material from the choanocyte to all other cells of the body, while some of the amoebocyte, they develop into egg and sperm and helps in the process of sexual reproduction. Now all these are the different types of cell perform their own function. None of these cells combine together to form any tissues and organs and system. Therefore the organisms are known as parazoa, in which only inside the body only cells are present which do not unite together to form tissues and organs. So only the collection of cell. Economic importance of phylum Porifera. The sponges, they are used for washing and bathing purposes, and this is the image of the sponge that is used for this purpose. Also because of their ability to absorb, they are used in surgical operation because of their ability to absorb blood and other fluid. It also helps to reduce noise pollution and to make building soundproof because of its capability to absorb sound waves. Examples or the members of phylum Porifera: Cycon, Spongilla, Leucosolenia, and Euplectilla. The images of Spongilla and Cycon, images of Leucosolonia and Euplectilla.